Gochain is one of those unimaginably inventive tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a good rundown of organizations, however haven't figured out how to make a forward leap yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a decent positioning spot in the market cap-based valuations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500 to 700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparative position have a market capitalization that isn't not the same as their neighbors. That's the reason their spots in the positioning can vacillate fiercely in one day or less. Notwithstanding that, Gochain can in any case be a beneficial venture for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a moderately unsafe decision, however it likewise has high benefit potential. In this video, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost gauge for 2022 to 2030, however kindly recall that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain, or Gochain, as it is likewise some of the time spelled, is one of the greenest and quickest digital currencies on the planet. Moreover, it is additionally viewed as among the most financially savvy tokens. Its exchanges ultimately depend on multiple times less expensive than those of the most famous computerized monetary standards like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The typical exchange affirmation time for Go is 3 to 5 seconds. The Go symbolic powers the GoChain Organization, which uses one of the most creative agreement calculations on the planet, in particular, confirmation of notoriety. This original calculation utilizes a standing-based framework for keeping up with the well-being and security of the blockchain framework. As indicated by its makers, one of the most serious dangers of distributed networks is the capacity of hubs to travel every which way voluntarily. Thus, POR just permits the hubs with the most elevated standing qualities to join the agreement bunch that can settle on the choices relating to the condition of the blockchain. On February 23, 2022, the GoChain network presented marking, half of all Go rewards currently go to the stakers. To purchase the GoChain digital currency, first, you should get a crypto wallet that upholds it. A portion of the equipment and hot wallets that help it are MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, Mu, and others. You can see the full rundown on the GoChain site. GoChain Technical Analysis. The GoChain digital currency has a few things backing it up, however there are likewise a couple of variables that appear to be highlighting Go having a somewhat difficult time sooner rather than later. Above all else, its true Reddit people group is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Besides, clients from the US are at present experiencing issues acquiring Go. Furthermore, a conspicuous venture that utilized the GoChain Organization, the VV Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, GoChain stays an exceptionally viable and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It likewise has its own NFT commercial center, Zeramant. Gochain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Gochain will be $0.012. The greatest level that the Go cost can reach is $0.013. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.012. Go price forecast for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0.011 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.010 and at $0.011, separately. October 2022, Gochain price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure at the Go cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.011, while the most extreme could reach $0.012 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0.011. Go price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value changes of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years. so the normal Go rate they foresee may be around $0.012 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.011 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.012. December 2022, Gochain Price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Go cost will be exchanged at $0.012 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Go chain worth to $0.013. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.012 in December 2022. Gochain Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Gochain will be around $0.017. The most extreme expected Go cost might be around $0.021. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.018 in 2023. Gochain Price Prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain, in 2024, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0.026 and $0.030, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.027. Gochain Price Prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Gochain and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Go cost could drop to $0.037, while its most extreme can reach $0.045. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.038. Gochain Price Prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Go costs are normal in 2026, $0.062 and $0.051. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0.052. Gochain Price Prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Gochain. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Go cost will be around $0.074. It could drop to at least $0.072, however it actually could reach $0.088 all through 2027. Gochain Price Prediction 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 11 cents